Hi, my name is Liliane Poirier, and today we're going to make stir-fried kale. This recipe is really easy. It takes 10 minutes to make and 3 to 5 minutes to cook. So we're going to use kale, we're going to use hot pepper sauce, we're going to use tahini, which is a paste of 100% sesame seeds. You can buy that anywhere. Soy sauce, sodium reduced, canola oil and sesame oil. Sesame seed oil can be used to fry or can be used at the end of the recipe to enhance the flavors. And 2 leeks. The leeks, you cut the green part and throw it out. Cut the end of the root, cut it in half like that. Wash it under cold running water and separate all the leaves to make sure that you get all the dirt out. If leeks are unavailable, you can substitute with 2 cups of julienne onions. To prep your kale, one has to wash it properly, take off all the leaves. The rib is very hard, so it's not edible. Then you julienne all your leaves. Now that our vegetables are all ready, we're going to start cooking. In the hot wok, I'm going to add canola oil, sesame oil. I'm going to add my kale, and then my leek. I'm going to saute between 3 and 5 minutes. While that's starting to cook, I'm going to prepare my sauce. I'm going to use hot pepper sauce, tahini, soya sauce. Mix into a paste. Pour the sauce on the cooked kale and leeks. Mix well. And now your meal is ready. Put onto a service plate. And here we have it. 89 calories per portion with vitamin C, vitamin A. Bon appétit. And remember, think healthy, eat healthy. Bye.